Hi everyone, welcome to Glitter Details. This is Amika. So you can see the big difference. No, there is no magic happened here. You also can have long, thicker, voluminous eyelashes like this if you follow this process to apply this amazing DIY serum that includes ingredient that extremely rich in protein, vitamins that will definitely help to grow your eyelashes. Even you can apply this on your eyebrows too. I have been applying this serum on my left eye only to show you the difference of the two eyelashes. So let's get started. To make, you will need these ingredients. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 acid and other nutrients that helps to promote thicker hair. Almonds are rich in magnesium and nutrients which promote hair growth. Castor oil moisturizes the hair, control the pH balance, boost hair follicles health and very rich in vitamin E that helps to hair growth. Aloe vera gel is rich in proteolytic enzymes that heal damaged cells, stimulate the dormant hair follicles, promoting regrowth of hair. Here I am using the bottle one. You can use the fresh aloe vera also. And last, a empty bottle to store. Now let's prepare the serum. Take a bowl and add a tablespoon of olive oil. A tablespoon of castor oil, a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, now what you have to do with almond, just follow this process. Roast the almond until it's turned black. Now make it into powder form. Add the powder to the bowl and mix it well. With that, our serum is ready and this amount is for 15 days. Though it's not allergenic or harmful, but you can have a patch test before you apply on your eyelashes for your safety. And store the serum in the empty bottle. Now for the applications, take a clean mascara wand, dab it into the serum and take off the excess. and apply gently on your eyelashes just like you apply mascara. Apply twice in a day for better result in night before you go to sleep, or you can wear this in the daytime also. It's actually act like mascara, but this is very good for your eyelashes. While following this process, you have to be patient. With one day you will not get any result, but by the day 7 you will definitely feel the growth. So that's it guys, I hope you find it useful. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe if you are new here. Hit the bell button for the update, and I will see you with a new exciting video like this. Until then, stay safe, stay glittery, and bye bye.